moving up in the world. This is the new ranking, isn't it? So everything will just be a little bit higher, I guess.
Like this is the last boss before you rank up.
Plat 1. Fucking hate Blizzard World.
I want King's Row.
King's Row's alright.
I want Hanamura.
2 CP is gone, bro.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, I thought they said no map pools, but that means I guess
He is beyond my reach.
you quick play and competitive is the same.
I'm sure he was proud, even if he never said it.
Because I don't think it was. Either way, no matter.
I want Volskaya and Hanamura back.
The 2 shittest maps.
Which one is the one that has the spawn at the back and you just keep spawning? It's like an open space and you have like the little vertical elevator things. Sorry, horizontal.
Volskaya.
Okay, Volskaya.
Run straight onto point, boys.
Yeah.
I can't run as Anna.
Securing the objective.
I'm here. Keep fighting.
Oh, that was lucky.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Oh,
But like this Genji's so bad that he actually did that and it worked. That's how bad he is.
Leo.
They're so bad that they did something good.
there's a.
I'm gonna go top left. Fuck off, Genji, bro.
Identical now.
Come on! Die! Yes!
There's a fucking. Oh. I was about to say I was like shit Genji behind. They got fucked by ours in.
Marked by the faggot.
Want me to say one name for your visor? Wall behind there's ammo, watch out.
Yeah.
Huge, fucking huge. Fuck!
Oh, I got fucking.
Such a fucking thing.
We still got it, right?
Fighting me.
We didn't get it.
Oh, yeah.
Unless...
We didn't get it?
No.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't.
Oh,
Look at the fucking thing. Wait,
the thing.
The meter thing.
The thing.
Fuck, how did we not get that? What the fuck?
We're at 0.16 meters away.
Yeah.
That's how we didn't get it. Just luck.
Fucking bullshit, man.
Right.
Okay, I've got
Oh yeah. You got lucky shotted.
Right, so hello.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, we'll group up. Fucking piece of shit, man. How did we get it? Alright, group up.
I'll look for you,
You'll
there's
have
Anna.
to try harder than that.
Alright, come left with me, bro. Where are you?
Just coming out the spawn now. I'll be there in a bit.
Alright.
Yeah.
Don't advise me?
Tactical
Get in there.
Alright.
Keep them in.
Fucking retard. There's an Ana at the back.
Oh, in there, bro. You got full health. Just a soldier.
Just wanted. Now there's an Ana here.
Bro.
There's an Ana and I wanted to get the point. That's why I didn't go.
I was on the point.
Yeah. But I wanted to make sure. Because there was an Ana.
Play a bit more aggressive in those situations, man. Get more kills.
But there's an Ana. I'm joking. Yeah, what the fuck? That soldier's almost dead.
Wow, bro. Hat Genji.
That's alright, I'm still moving.
Is it C9?
Almost.
Like that.
I won't let you fall.
That was beautiful.
Nice. Let's go.
Oh, missed it.
You have a nano? No.
No, not yet. Sleep. Do not. Oh, where the fuck am I? Got it now.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Did I get you?
Hell yeah, nigga.
Nigga.
3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select
Blizzard, wow.
Blizzard.
Reported, you're gonna get reported, Armor.
Man, if I get reported, I think if Blizzard goes through my logs, I think I'll get banned.
Fucking can't work up the fucking monkey.
Stupid monkey.
Used to be, but I'm still the fastest gun in the New West. Hey there. Hey. How's it going? Hey there.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh yeah, then I upgraded my flex.
Attackers incoming.
Oh yeah?
Defend objective A.
I got 36 terabytes now on it.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Diva. Sure. Why not? I gotta go down. Come down. I shouldn't have gone down. God damn.
Reloading.
Oh,
What's it? Oh, shit! I was like, where are you then? I went over the way, so you go all the way down there.
Yeah. I'm a retard, you know, Demo. You should know this.
Yeah, anti cut my chat.
Yeah, I don't have anything. Don't have no barrier.
Eva is anti for now.
oh my god. Fuck, alright. It's Pharaoh time.
I won't let you fall.
Alright, let me use my ult first. I'll use my ult first and then I'll go Pharaoh.
I don't think I can go versus with this set though.
Objective lost.
Yeah.
See, you can press
True.
F to switch spawns.
I stand with you.
you pressed the F and you spawned right really back.
Yeah. I just wanted to see what it was.
Got in there. Sleep.
And say please.
Dude, shut the fuck up.
Fuck, it's nice to have a master DPS. Master on his way to Grandmaster. On this journey.
On a little journey to the west.
Stand up straight.
Oh shit. Am I?
I am so fucking dead.
Why am I? I'm alone in the cart. Why would I do that? I don't know. Because I thought we were fighting there.
I won't give in.
Literally.
Something behind you there, after them. You were top left. Yeah,
Oh, I'm dead. Cart.
One car, I need help.
Step right up.
Yeah, your team is there.
I see you.
You were outside. Something on the left. Yeah, we're anti for now.
Yeah, you bitch.
Pick up the pain. You're covered.
The fuck was that?
Nice.
Beefy.
I see you.
Welcome to the pylon.
I was surprised that wasn't with your ult.
My ultimate is ready. Let's go.
Yeah, man, if you-
Get high ground demo. Get high
Yeah,
ground.
oh, with you. Oh, yeah.
I got you.
Yeah, there's a Hanzo lucky shots there.
You almost have your no.
Nano boost almost ready. Taking damage.
Got it there. Never know where-
Go.
You're powered up. Get in there.
What the? F
Enough whining. You're fine.
Hello. Ultimate's ready.
What?
Unlucky.
Fucking hell.
Ah, you motherfucker. Genji's like halfway to his ult.
How did I get anyone? Like we were all hit.
Fight in me. Don't fret. I see you.
Oh, demo, do you want to go Mercy?
Yeah, like a...
Oh no, wait, no, never mind. Keep forgetting we got a fucking Zen.
I'm a fucking dumbass. Fuck me.
So am I.
The
All right,
fuck
boys.
was I doing?
Let's not lose to these cunts, eh?
No.
Try not to.
I'm gonna go Symmetra.
This is
Okay.
not the end. I'll keep you up.
Ah, bro.
Can you sleep?
I slept the target.
Thank you.
I'm dead.
Healing fortified.
60 seconds remaining.
Alright, I need to build my ult real quick.
Nano or give it to Grey?
Give it to me.
I've got you.
Not yet.
Never there went.
Not yet, not yet. Give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now. It's alright, Genji, they use all their ults.
Oh, I'm dead.
Reality bends to my will.
Watch out, dragon's coming from the left. Armor! Don't scare me like that, bro. Just keep me alive, keep me alive.
Charge it, man.
I have no more bubble.
There's 3 of them behind, 3 of them behind. Holy shit.
Oh, fuck me, bro!
Team kill.
Yep.
Oh my god, man.
The fuck is this Incanol? It's all that done the most.
To 3. Switching sides.
She's like, why are you there?
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Fucking hell.
I know.
I will not leave a broken world behind.
Greetings. Shed the weight of your doubts, and your mind will become clear.
Bro, why are their heals so fucking high?
I never asked
Like, it's the second game, like, we're gonna lose because of heals.
He is beyond my reach.
No, we got. Well, it's gonna be either draw or win, bro. They don't have any
One day we'll
time.
go on missions in Hawaii.
But yeah,
annoying, though.
I know where you come from, bro. I do.
Fucking 15k, 11k. We got a fucking Zen who's trying to do fucking DPS. Like,
2. 1.
shit cunt, man.
It's
We're not lacking DPS.
Capture
We're
objective
lacking heals, yeah.
أنا بحرسكم.
Because we've got like actually fucking lot of heal.
What are they playing? Oh, fucking hell.
Junk.
Yeah.
Can I get a heal?
Reloading now. Fuck. Got most of them now.
I go out on my terms.
Oh my.
It's just that tank. That if the tank stays alive, that's it. GG.
Tank was almost dead.
remaining.
It was that the tank rat just fucked us up.
Oh, was that? Mom was there. And he did.
Nice. Nice fire strike, bro. I've got the supports. That's it, done. Fuck me. Shut the fuck up, Yeon, you fucking shit cunt. You got carried, cunt. Shut the fuck up.
Play of the game.